Listen and read. A. Architect, century, defend, enemy, fairly, other, still, by and by, turn into. B. Architect, a great architect, a famous architect. Who is the architect of this building? Bazhenov, a Russian architect, is very famous in our country. Century, the new century, the last century, the 21st century. Pushkin was born in the 18th century. Defend, to defend the city, to defend the capital. It was not easy to defend Moscow, but they did it. What helped them to defend the city? Enemy, his enemy, our enemies, to defend the country from enemies. Russian people often defended their country from enemies. Fairly, fairly good, fairly bad, fairly strong. My sister is a fairly good singer. We know our history fairly well. Other, other places, other people, on the one side and on the other side of the road. Are there any other questions? Their house is on the other side of the street. Still, still busy, still important. This book is still my favorite. They still live in the north of Great Britain. By and by we began to learn more about the city. By and by the weather became better. Turn into. Soon the water in the river turned into ice. By and by the small town turned into a big city.